Welcome back. Bappa arrived on Thursday and in no time will leave on Friday after 1.5 day celebrations. However, the water levels of rivers and ponds where Ganesh idols are immersed are below the normal mark. Ironically, the rivers and ponds have not been desilted.
This was a scene last year. Ganesh idols were seen floating even after the state witnessing quite a good rainfall. This year, state has recorded deficit rainfall. Moreover, Tar River in Mapsa is not desilted as yet. Hundreds of idols are immersed here from Mapsa and neighbouring villages. Mapshakas have raised a serious concern over the water level of the river during the immersion of Ganesh idols.
म्हापशेचे सर्वसाधारण 10,000 तरी गणपती हांगासर बुडटात दर वर्सा. आदले दिसा गणपती हांगासर आमी सर बुडयतात आनी दुसरे दिसा कितें जाता, दुसरे दिसा गणपती सगळे आमकां अर्दे अदीक वयर दिसतात. इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणटात ती पायपां काडपाची गरज आसा आनी ती पायपां काडल्या उपरांतूच हायवेचे हांगासर उदीक सारके एकदम फास्ट तेजो प्रभाव जातलो.
गाळ काडपाची चड गरज आसा, कित्याक ब्रिजा फातीर ही अशी भानगडी जाल्या.
Similar kind of situation is at Kutsade. More than 200 Ganesh idols are immersed here from 5 neighbouring villages. Villagers claim that some people just leave Ganesh idols along the riverside.
देड साधे तर कमीत कमी 150 सुमार गणपती येतात. 100-150 गणपती आयले की ते सगळ्याक पावपाक मेळना सारखे. लोक कितें करतात, कमी उदक वयल्यावर पाचार वतात. वयल्यावर पाहिलं म्हणजे की आता दिसाक सकाळी उदक देंवलें समज पावस थांबलो, उदक देंवलें कशा दिसा गणपती दिश्टी पडटा.
उदका मातसो त्रास जाल्यार कारण उदक बुडयता घेता थोडे दीस पडटात, तकली दीस पडटात उदक आशिल्ल्यान, उदक नाशिल्ल्यान उदक आज फाल्यां अशें उल जायते ते एकी पायतले वतले.
The water level at Khandivado and Vastavado at Kutsade is also below the normal mark. About 150 Ganesh idols from both the wards are immersed here. Locals at present are feeling helpless.
गेल्ले वर्सा आमचे ते लागीं गणपती विसर्जन केल्ले ते उबिल्ले म्हण त्या वर्सा आमचो मातसो उदकाचो तितलो त्या हेका कंपेर केला आमचो अंदू उदकाचो लेवल भरपूर कमी आसा.
ह्या खेपी कमी पावस पडलेले कारण आमकां गणपती विसर्जीत करपाक थोडे त्रास जाता. कित्याक दिसता म्हाका गणपती बुडटात पूण नेक्स्ट दिसा परतून सकाळी येवन पयल्यार ओंपतात.
पुराय प्रमाणान गणपती हांगा बुडोवपाक पावचे ना. तशेंच 2-3 दिसान गणपती हांगा उपतले. फुडल्या ह्या 2 दिसां भितर जर पावस चड प्रमाणान पडलो जाल्यार आमकां कांय त्रास जावचे ना लोकांक.
Now Goans are praying for heavy rain showers on these 2 days, thus increasing the water levels for hassle-free Visarjan. Shyam Sundar Fatte and Dattaraj Naik for Prudent.
Only 16 lakh cubic meters sand will be allowed to be extracted in the state. State Environment Impact Assessment Authority has granted environmental clearances with conditions for sand extractions. Sources inform that there is capping on sand extraction. 15 lakh cubic meters from North Goa and only 1 lakh cubic meter from South Goa. Authority has granted environmental clearances for 24 clusters in Goa.
After getting environmental clearance from the State Environment Impact Assessment Authority, Mines Department is in process of preparing guidelines for sand extractions. Sources from the State Export Appraisal Committee informed that Goa has nearly 18 million cubic meters of sand, out of which North Goa has nearly 16.8 million cubic meters of sand, which lies in 280 hectares of river. State Export Appraisal Committee has recommended the Goa government to allow nearly 15 lakh of sand extraction per year in North Goa. State Environment Impact Assessment Authority has cleared environmental clearances of 14 clusters in North Goa. In each cluster, extraction of more than 1 lakh cubic meters of sand will be allowed. While in South Goa, nearly 2 million cubic meters of sand is available for extraction. State Environment Impact Assessment Authority has allowed sand extraction in 10 clusters in South Goa. Sources inform that committee has recommended extraction of 10,000 cubic meters of sand in each cluster. Per year, only 1 lakh cubic meters of sand extraction will be allowed in South Goa. Mines Department had received nearly 497 applications for sand extractions. If they are allowed to do extraction, then one license holder will get a chance to extract nearly 6 cubic meters of sand per day. Sources inform that it is up to the department to consider number of applications for sand extractions. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar informed that process of issuing license to applicants will be done after Ganesh Chaturthi.
थोडे पॅरामीटर्स ठरवून आम्ही लायसन्सीस ह्या महिन्यातच दितले. ॲप्लिकेशन्स घेतलेली आसात, म्हज्या अंदाजान खूब ॲप्लिकेशन्स आसात. त्यामुळे त्या सायटीचेर तांकां परमिशनां दिवची पडटली. लिगलायजेशन जालें आनी गोव्यांत आमी परमिशन दिलें की भायली रेंव येवंक लागली की तिकाय आमी कितें तरी चार्जीस लायतले. 200 रुपयाची पावती चलन बिलन काडप अशें, आनी जेणे करून ते ऑफिशियली येवंक शकतले. आमकां ती रेंव लागता.
State Environment Impact Assessment Authority has cleared environmental clearances of 24 clusters in various rivers, 14 clusters from North Goa and 10 from South Goa. Mahesh Ghadi with Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.